I'm here today with Brandon Garcia, co-founder of DSS Partners. And Brandon, just tell the folks what you do. What is DSS Partners all about?
Yeah, so we're everything digital, Paul. So if you think about, we like to say we're the digital Sherpa, guiding people in
Love it.
building their digital roadmap, what capabilities they need. We do both B2C and B2B. B2B tends to be a little bit more fun because it's more complex. There's more challenges, so we really enjoy that. We will do everything from run RFPs to help companies realize both their roadmap and what platform can help them and technologies can support them in the roadmap as well as then do the implementation as well. We work with all the leading technologies, all API first technologies. You'll hear composable architecture. We make sure that everything that we work on is kind of future proof, which is more of this API first composable architecture type technology. And that's what gravitated us to dotCMS is we've invested and created accelerator stores. And so there's an opportunity in our mind to leverage dotCMS, which is a headless CMS connected to our accelerator stores and portals, et cetera, and really empower the business user, right? So that's got us really excited right now. And that's pretty much why we partnered with you guys, is we think you guys have a great solution and our customers want to be able to affect change with business users instead of having to get IT or even a service provider like us involved. So